Hi, this is Dan from Feldmann Imports. Today we have a 2014 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 4MATIC. This is in a red exterior with a brown and black interior. It's got a panoramic sunroof there. Go ahead and come around to the back. We've got our 4MATIC, Mercedes-Benz, and CLA 250 badging. Plenty of room in the trunk. And our rear seats here. A view of that sunroof. And we do have blind spot assist. And memory seats. Driver seat controls here. Driver door controls. Driver seat. And our steering wheel. Now, mileage on this vehicle is 96,755. We have a turnkey ignition in this vehicle. Navigation. Radio.
For example, 5 rooms of parking.
And our backup camera. See the Mercedes-Benz shifter here, climate control, and center console. And if you'd like to see any more photos, get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.